Is welding school really worth it? Let's look at the benefits and how training can fast track your welding career. Instead of waiting 4 years for a degree, welding school can get you job ready in months, sometimes less than a year. On average, certified welders earn 15 to 30% more than those without formal training. Welding school preps you for industry certifications like 3G/4G or 5G/6G. Your ticket to better paying jobs. With the right training, you can move up the ladder faster into specialties like pipe, TIG, aerospace, or even inspection roles. Training builds confidence and safety habits, two things that make you stand out on the job site. So, what are the benefits of welding school? Faster start, higher pay, certs, career growth, and confidence. If welding is your path, school can open the right doors.